Why do the rich keep getting richer? While most people stay stuck, it's not about luck, not intelligence, not even hard work. It comes down to one habit, one that's simple but rare. Let's break it down. This is asterisk, the one habit that separates the rich from everyone else. No fluff, just facts. Stay locked in. Most people think wealth is about earning more, so they chase higher pay, side hustles, bonuses. But income doesn't make you rich. Behavior does. And the rich behave differently with one key habit. They delay gratification. Delayed gratification means resisting short-term pleasure for long-term gain. It's choosing to invest instead of spend. It's buying assets instead of showing off. It's living below your means now, so you can live beyond them later. This habit compounds. While others upgrade cars and clothes, the rich upgrade freedom and options. Warren Buffett still lives in the house he bought in 1958. Mark Zuckerberg wears the same clothes every day to avoid decision fatigue. Jay-Z said, asterisk, if you can't buy it twice, you can't afford it. These aren't random choices. They're signals. Signals of control, of discipline, of power. The average person works for money. The rich make money work for them. That starts by saying no now, so you can say yes forever. It's not just about money. It's about control. Control of time, of energy, of decisions. That's real wealth. And it starts with one habit. Here's your challenge. Next time you want to spend, pause. Ask, will this bring me value long term? If not, invest it. Stack it, let it grow. Build the habit, build the wealth. The difference between rich and broke? Not talent, not background, just choices. And the richest choice you can make today is patience. Delay the drip. Own your future.